giving mini twist bust down, right? Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to be doing this video because I am done with my hair for the rest of the year. I am over it. Just ready to sit down. I'm going to LA. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do my hair. Okay, I just want to be here. I just want to exist. So we are going to be doing some mini twists today. However, I am going to be adding hair like on my ends to create a longer mini twist, but my hair is already so long, so I'm kind of excited to see how long my hair is. I do want to add the extensions just so my ends can just be plump and juicy. But anyway, today's sponsor is, drum roll please, HOTBRAIDS. I actually like that they gave me a bag because as soon as the packaging came and I saw this bag, I was like, perfect, because they also give you a few other things that I'm like, okay, we see you. So you get this little package here and it comes with a few clips. It also comes with a rat tail comb. You know we're gonna need that to get those nice parts, even though I'm probably not gonna do super crispy parts when I'm doing this, because when I do my mini twist, I really try not to part very cute, but you are gonna need that, so clock that in. They even gave a little brush, look at that, and then an edge brush. So it came in this bag because this is bulk hair, you guys, and this is what it looks like. Okay, it looks just like your hair when you cut your hair and it's on the floor. This is what it looked like. Okay, so I'm very excited to use this and see how it looks combined with my hair, because it's giving. It just comes wrapped up in these little nets. They got them individually in their little bundles and little, that's cute. But I know this is gonna take a very, very, very long time because they are mini twists, and we all know mini twists take some time. So I'm gonna put on a show and we're just gonna get started. I don't know what method I'm gonna choose yet. I know I'm gonna start off with a braid and then go in with a twist, but I don't know at what point I'm gonna add the hair. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a trial and error first, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys. So let me get a little situated, get a few done, and then I'll be back.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up.
It's the ponytail for me, friend. Got a little hang time. Next day, 4 more rows. The best part about this hairstyle is that the parts look good, but I really, really, really didn't do anything. I just part the row and then I just part with my fingers. I did not take this comb and part all these little squares. No, I really just pull and start plaiting one, just like I normally do my mini twist. Y'all know I really do not part when I do my mini twist, and I did the same exact thing for these and just added the extensions. But I am loving this hair, y'all. When I say this hair is actually really, really good. Like at first I was like, you know, I was like, I don't know. But after using it and finding a method, like after you peel it, this is what it looks like. You find out where the middle is, and then you just add a little bit of jam and it'll secure that. And that's how you pre-separate this type of hair, because outside of that you won't be able to pre-separate it. It'll just be everywhere and just too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate some pieces out, and then I'll show you guys the exact method that I decided to go with. And I just love how the ends look so curly and natural. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. I am adding some of this Wakati cream because I want my hair to be moisturized. So I add it to the entire section. And then I'm going in with my Jamaican mango and lime. Like, this is a 5-in-1 lockdown. It's like for twist out braids, anything. It's just like a nice jam. I love the pop top. Y'all know with this, it's nice to have the... I haven't been adding a lot of jam to my hair because I don't want my hair to have a lot. Honestly, I don't think it's that necessary. But I add a little bit to the parting. Even though y'all see how uneven this part is, I do not care. Like, I want that imperfection a little bit. And then I start braiding. Since this is the front though, I do want to make sure this is straight. I like to start with a braid first. I think that's why my parts just look so clean. It's because of the braid. Not necessarily because my parts are clean, but because my braid, that braid has my hair super tight.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, don't. And we'll make sure both sides are equal. And then just start twisting. I decided to twist my hair first and then just add the extensions at the bottom, because I just feel like that looks so much better. I love how natural it looks, and it just blends seamlessly. So let me show you. Just till about right there. And then take your hair, add it in. You want to twist both sides. First you want to twist the first side, right? You can add jam. That'd be a great idea. So to get even smaller. And then you want to flip it and twist this other side so that you can add, just to mesh your hair in with the extension. It should look like this, and then you just want to continue twisting. Now it is going to look a little thicker right here, but once you let it go, this part gets a little bit thicker, so then you don't see that. You can continue to add pieces. Like right now, I think I'm going to add another piece. I don't know how long. I forgot how long my hair is. I don't think I did it too long. Let's see. Okay, yeah, you see, I got a ways to go, so I needed to add one more. This is what we needed the whole time. The whole time. It looks so natural, so pretty. When the brand reached out, this wasn't the initial hair we were gonna do, and then they were like, "Do you want to do this hair?" And at first I was like, but then I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? Challenge accepted. And I'm so glad I did, because this is so simple. And if you already do mini twists, this should be so simple. You're just adding hair at the end of the twist just to add a little bit more length and a little bit more density, because I love the thick ends. I feel like that really makes the hairstyle. And they curl up too, so natural. We love it, we love it. You can always cut it, and yeah. I am on the absolute last one. I'm so excited. Look at this, y'all. I feel like this is a mini twist bust down. Oh my gosh, I ain't gonna know how to act. Be able to get up and just go outside, not have to do nothing to my hair. So it's gonna be nice. I am going to enjoy this, but this feels so lightweight. All I used was 1.5 bundles of this bulk hair. So you don't need a lot for each style, and it just looks amazing. And if I wanted it to be longer, all I had to do was continue to feed in the hair and twist and twist and twist. So if you don't have like a thick density at the top, like your real hair, you don't have thick density hair, you definitely want to add hair at the roots or right after you braid, you know. At least add the hair like at the top. Since I have thick hair, I wanted my hair to be very flat and thick on the end, so I decided to add the hair on the ends. And I just love it. Y'all like it? I'm obsessed with it already. I feel like it's very chic. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Okay, length check. giving mini twist bust down, right? Oh. This is the only foam I got, so I think we're gonna go with the most def. I never use it for my braids, so I don't know. I don't know if I want it on the roots. I think we're just gonna put it on the ends. My pump acting a little crazy here. Oh, I think that maintained it a little too much for me. I like them poofy. Hopefully they poof back out. I ain't gonna put too much on this side. I'm glad I didn't put it at the top because I forgot this is very sticky. But yeah, hopefully this will set nicely. But I am obsessed with this. So if you guys are interested in getting your hands on this hair, I will have everything linked in the description bar below. So easy to work with after I got the hang of it. 10 out of 10 recommend. I never had hair like this before, but it will not be my last time using it. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.